Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Hokeki Air Purifier Filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining clean and healthy air in your home, especially if you or your loved ones suffer from allergies, asthma, or other respiratory issues, as it directly impacts the effectiveness of your air purification system by trapping pollutants like dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and even microscopic particles that can trigger discomfort and health problems, making its selection a critical decision for your well-being. Number 5. LEVOIT Core 400S P Air Purifier. Choosing an air purifier can be daunting. Look for the AHAM verified seal, ensuring independent testing for performance, safety, and efficiency. This guarantees you're getting a product that truly improves your indoor air quality. This model has been certified by the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers. It's been independently tested for its performance, efficiency, and safety, with verified CADR ratings for smoke, dust, and pollen. Designed for whole room purification, it can clean the air in spaces up to 1,733 square feet in just 1 hour. It's perfect for large areas like bedrooms, living rooms, and open floor plans. Its 3-in-1 filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. This includes common allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander, ensuring cleaner air. Enjoy a fresh bedroom environment free from dust and pollen. Its advanced sensor technology detects airborne particles and displays real-time PM2.5 levels for continuous air quality monitoring. Thanks to its powerful technology, you can relax in your living room without worrying about pet dander, smoke, or other common airborne irritants. It ensures a comfortable atmosphere for everyone. This air purifier is specifically designed to tackle kitchen odors and VOCs. It leaves your kitchen smelling fresh and clean, so you can enjoy a more pleasant cooking and dining experience. What we like. This model is AHAM verified, ensuring reliable performance for large rooms up to 1,733 square feet. If you need powerful, whole room purification for your living room or open floor plan, this is an excellent choice. Its smart Wi-Fi control also makes it convenient for tech-savvy users. What people say. The Hokeki Air Purifier Filter is designed to effectively capture fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. This filter features a multi-layer filtration system that includes a HEPA filter and an activated carbon layer, ensuring comprehensive purification. Users have reported a noticeable reduction in pet dander and odors after installing the Hokeki Air Purifier Filter. Number 4. MK01-MK06 Air Purifier Filter Replacement. Ensure your air stays fresh with our replacement filters, perfectly compatible with the REV MK01, MK06, and other leading air purifier models. They maintain the same effectiveness as the original, making them a worthy investment for your home. Experience cleaner air with our advanced 4-stage filtration. It effectively captures airborne particles and absorbs unpleasant odors, promoting better health and a fresher environment for everyone. Breathe easy all year round. Our high-efficiency filter tackles airborne irritants and neutralizes common household odors, including those from pets and wildfire smoke, for a healthier living space. Designed with advanced technology, our filter offers maximum filtration and protects your machine. Made from high-grade pleated paper and activated carbon, it ensures efficient performance with lower energy consumption. This package includes 2 filters at a great value, saving you money year-round. Replacement is simple and tool-free, recommended every 6 to 8 months for optimal performance. Choose the perfect filter for your needs. We offer a standard blue version for daily use, a green version for pet dander, and a gray version specifically for smoke and VOCs. Petox is committed to quality and customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated support team is always ready to assist you. What we like. With a 4-in-1 filtration system, this filter offers comprehensive air cleaning and odor absorption. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with specialized options like pet dander or smoke removal, this 2-pack is ideal. It's a great value for maintaining clean air year-round. What people say. It is a good replacement filter for the Hokeki Air Purifier. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly into the air purifier. It effectively removes odors and allergens from the air, leaving the room smelling fresh. Number 3. KEEPOW HEPA Filter Replacement 4-pack. Ensure your air is clean with our replacement filters. They are designed to be compatible with a variety of popular air purifier models. Experience truly fresh air thanks to its advanced 3-stage filtration. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles and odors. Breathe easier as it removes dust, pet hair, smoke, and cooking smells. Enjoy a continuous supply of healthy, clean air. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the filter every 3 months. This ensures your air purifier continues to work at its best. Getting fresh air is easy. Installation takes just a few simple steps, allowing you to enjoy a healthier environment quickly. We are here to help. Our online service is available 24 hours a day for any questions you may have. What we like. This filter offers a 3-stage filtration system and is compatible with a wide range of popular air purifier models. If you need a convenient and affordable way to replace filters for multiple devices or want a good stock, this 4-pack is a practical choice. It ensures continuous fresh air with minimal fuss. What people say. The Hokeki Air Purifier Filter is designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This filter features a multi-layer filtration system, including a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter, to effectively remove dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and odors. The filter is easy to install and replace, ensuring continuous optimal performance of the Hokeki Air Purifier. Number 2. Fil-fresh MK01 and MK06 Air Purifier Filter Replacement. Tired of dust, pollen, and pet dander? This filter is your solution for a fresher, cleaner home. Say goodbye to sneezing and itchy eyes for better sleep and easier breathing. Our filter grabs 30% more dust than standard filters. It traps 99.97% of tiny particles, keeping your air cleaner and healthier for longer. Experience a home that smells fresh and inviting all day. Our improved carbon filter traps smoke, cooking smells, and pet odors better than ever. Get 2 filters in 1 pack, lasting up to a year. Enjoy affordable, efficient air purification that saves you money and provides peace of mind. This replacement is compatible with a Reeve MK01 and MK06, to Life TZ, K1, Cloudy DH, JH01, and more. Ensure your air purifier runs at its best. Create a cleaner living environment with this essential air purification solution. Enjoy the benefits of healthier air every single day. What we like. Featuring an H13 True HEPA filter and an enhanced carbon filter, this option excels at capturing fine particles and eliminating odors. If you're sensitive to dust, pollen, or pet odors and want a cost-effective solution that lasts, this 2-pack is perfect. It provides a great value for achieving cleaner, fresher air. What people say. The Hokeki Air Purifier Filter is designed to effectively capture fine dust, pet dander, and pollen, improving indoor air quality. This filter features a multi-layer filtration system, including a HEPA layer and an activated carbon layer, to remove odors and airborne particles. Users have reported that the Hokeki Air Purifier Filter is easy to install and replace, fitting seamlessly into compatible Hokeki Air Purifier models. Number 1. LEVOIT Core 300P Air Purifier. Choose a product you can trust for cleaner indoor air. This air purifier is independently tested and certified by HEPA for reliable performance and energy efficiency. Experience rapid air cleaning with its high-torque motor and impressive CADR. It's designed to effectively refresh the air in your home, bedroom, or office. It's been independently tested and verified for its clean air delivery rate for smoke, dust, and pollen. Enjoy fresh air, whether in a smaller room or a larger space. For the best results and longevity, always use our official replacement filters. They ensure a perfect fit and high-efficiency filtration, protecting your device. Select the perfect filter for your lifestyle. Options are available to tackle toxins, smoke, or pet dander and odors, ensuring the air you breathe is just right. Its advanced filter captures 99.97% of fine airborne particles, including common allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander. Activate sleep mode at night for a near-silent operation. You can rest soundly without being disturbed, enjoying clean air all night long. What we like. This unit is HEPA verified and designed for effective purification in bedrooms, offering a whisper-quiet sleep mode. If you prioritize quiet operation for undisturbed sleep while still getting effective air cleaning, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for allergy sufferers looking for a peaceful environment. What people say. The Hokeki Air Purifier Filter is designed to effectively capture fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. This filter features a multi-layer filtration system that removes odors and harmful gases, ensuring a fresher environment. The Hokeki filter is easy to install and replace, maintaining optimal performance of the air purifier with minimal effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.